The CrystalBlast Pro 2.0 features enhanced dust collection filtration with a semi-automatic pneumatic filtration cleaning cycle. The Pro 2.0 is fabricated and built to help eliminate maintenance with simple controls, allowing many successful years of sand carving. The Pro 2.0 cabinet height, window location, window slope, and padded armrest are designed to allow for easy seated or standing operation. The CrystalBlast Pro 2.0 has a 550 CFM exhaust blower with a 9-inch impeller on top. The 9-inch impeller is going to create reverse suction, allowing you to put parts in the front of the cabinet without worrying about dust coming out. The Pro 2.0 has a 110 coil cartridge filter. To clean the filter, we have pneumatic vibration. You're going to want to vibrate your filter at least twice a day if you're doing a lot of sandblasting for no more than 2 minutes at a time. Once a week, unscrew the cap at the bottom of the hopper and empty the dust into the garbage. The CrystalBlast 2.0 also has our Cyclone 180 separator. This is going to separate abrasive 180 mesh and finer. The good media, that's 180 mesh and coarser, is going to stay inside the cabinet. The fine dust particles that are finer than 180 mesh are going to go into the filter. You're not going to waste any of your media. The good media that you want to use over and over again is going to stay inside the cabinet, recycling as you're doing your sandblasting. So because of the cleanliness of the CrystalBlast Pro 2.0, you can put parts through the front and do your sandblasting, take it out, grab another piece, put it in the front, take it out, do another piece. So you're going to be extremely efficient with small pieces. If the pieces are too large to go through the front arm ports, we have the side door that'll fit large pieces. The CrystalBlast Pro 2.0 uses LED lighting. Unlike other cabinets that have lights, halogen lights that hang down, the 2.0 utilizes an LED light that's up in this section away from the blasting area. The LED light will allow you to see the pieces clearly during the sand carving process. Our CrystalBlast line of equipment utilizes reinforced urethane hoses. These hoses are a lot lighter than the traditional sandblast hoses that you'll see in other cabinets. When you're doing a big job where you're blasting hundreds of pieces, you're going to get less fatigue during the sandblast process because our hoses are so light. All of the hoses within the cabinet that need to be replaced from time to time have quick disconnects, so there's no tools required to replace your hoses. To change the nozzle, you simply push and pull, the nozzle comes out, put your new nozzle on, and you're ready to sand carve. The CrystalBlast Pro 2.0 also has our air blow-off gun, so when you're doing your sand carving, you can blow off your hands, blow off the pieces inside before removing them out of the cabinet to get the dust off. The CrystalBlast Pro 2.0 also has our Lexair high-pressure long wear valve. This is going to allow you many years of blasting before you even needing to change the valve. Unique to our CrystalBlast cabinets is the pressure pots that we use. All of our pressure pots have a clean-out port. This allows for easy removal of abrasive, or if you accidentally get liquid in the cabinet somehow, if you're sandblasting a wine bottle or something that has liquid in it and it gets into the abrasive, you can easily remove that abrasive through the clean-out port. It also has a padded armrest, so when you're standing at the cabinet, you can be doing a large piece or small pieces and your elbows can be comfortable and positioned anywhere on the armrest. When you're sand carving in traditional cabinets, the dust starts to stick on the window on the inside of the cabinet and it makes it difficult to see while you're blasting. We have a window sweep, so when you're blasting, the air blows over the window, blowing the dust off so you can always see through the window during the sand carving process. With all of our sandblast cabinets, we have additional features that can be added on. We do have our vertical height option, and that can be added to any of our sandblasters. The Pro 2.0 is among the most popular workhorse units in the CrystalBlast product line.